Hello my friends and subscribers. My name is Alexander Stepanov and I'm nail technician from Russia. She is my client. Her name is Luba and she works with coal. She has to do everyday hard work. She worked also in warehouse and she has very hard conditions of life. And now she's waiting for the second baby. But one thing, she's always loving. She can't live without gel nails and the nail design, which we apply every month. But this time she cheat on me with another nail technician. And I don't know what happened with her. She came back to me to fix her nails, and as you can see, we have no nail design on her nails now, because some nail technicians in our city don't prefer doing nail design. I'm using my favorite tools and products for fixing her nails, and when I use them, gel nails stay on much longer and they have no problems like you see on this video. I mean, black dots. And what do you think about why these black dots on these nails? What was the problem? Please let me know down in the comments about this problem. I made a lot of videos about this woman and with fixing her nails, but a lot of people still writing bad comments about her person, about her nails, and about my work. Sometimes we face with people, not good people, that who don't understand our life and conditions of people's lives, and they will never understand us. We just need to keep on doing our work. I know a lot of people from our country, from Russia, don't understand me as a nail technician who work with such people, and they think that every woman, every girl should be maximum neat and clean, and maybe they never worked in bad conditions in warehouses and manufacturers, etc. And they just don't understand us. But I hope in the world there are some nail techs and people who will support me and understand. What about my technique? This is the best, I think, the best way to transform these nails, because I'm using high quality products, and these guarantees that they will not have any inflammations after using these products, any problems with liftings of products. And as you can see, it's important to prepare nails to the limit perfectly and apply the primer. And some nail technicians say that I don't remove all the dirt. It's impossible, but the second thing, this is not the dirt, dirt. This is the remaining coal, pieces of coal, and I think um, it's not bad. I just tried as I could to remove all the dirt, washing hands using soap and using drill bits. And also you told about it's better to remove the gel and stay and leave natural nails. You know, I agree with you guys, but sometimes when some people don't have any good things in their life, and we just need something, a small piece of happiness on their fingers, on their nails, and we just can't give their this thing. Maybe you don't understand, and your life is like a cloudless sky, but these people are not like you, and to share the happiness, to make someone happy for free. I doing nails for Luba for free always, and don't take money for this set. This always for her for free. And I know that in our city this set costs about $50. It's not and this is very expensive because there are not nail technicians who are applying gel nails in our city. All nail techs are doing gel polish, applying gel polish only, because it's not profitable for them working with such clients, because it takes a lot of energy and a lot of time, and not many clients able, or not many clients can pay such price in our city. We have not easiest economic situation in Russia now, so there are only small amount of nail technicians who work with such nails. But gel polish doesn't give her such result, because with her work she will spoil this coat the next day. As you can see, video by video, she likes flowers which I draw with one stroke technique. This is the favorite design for her, and we tried different types of nail design, but she always comes back and asks me to repeat some types of one stroke flowers. And I think that this is the best idea for making making woman happy. Not, for example, not I don't think that it's popular among girls. Maybe geometric nail designs is more um, uh, popular, but for women, one stroke nail designs are always actual, so we can combine geometric French manicure, which I applied using Giorgio Cappuccino gel paint, and one stroke lily flowers using two colors. So let's take a look on the result. As you can see, this was before, and after transformation we have very neat and accurate nail design. If you like this video, don't forget to click that like button, subscribe to my channel. You can order on all products and tools in my store, which are available in any country. Shipping takes not more 2 weeks. See you in the next video, next Saturday. See you. Bye.